gold Zora Duntov mark of excellence. Triple diamond with a team sticker for nickel plate.
You bet 100, I'm going to get on 35, 40, hit 35, 45, I'm going to get on 45, hit 40, I'm going to get on 45, I'm going to get on 45, I'm going to get on 45, hit 40, hit 45, I'm going to get on 45, I'm going to get on 50,000, and now 50,000, I'm going to get on 50,000, hit 50,000, I'm around 50, hit 50,000, I'm around 50, hit 55, I'm going to get on 50,000, hit 50,000, I'm around 50, 50, 50, we'll do, I'm going to get on 50, hit 50,000, I'm going to get on 50, hit 55, I'm around 50, hit 50, I'm around 50, I'm going to get on 50, I'm going to get on 50.
Highland car convertible. Here it is, the very first ZR-1 ever built with supporting documentation included. Previously part of the Ed Foss collection.
You bet you right here. Hey, come back to the auction now. Come back and look what we've got sitting in front of us. 500,000. Hit 500. Out of the bag, get on 5. Out of the bag, get on 3. Out of the bag, get on 100. 150. 25. 50. Hit 150. 75. 200. Out of the bag, get on 2. Hit 200,000. Now 2 to bid. 2 to buy. Out of the bag, what a car. Hit 200,000. Out of the bag, get on 2. Hit 200,000. Now 2, now 2, now 2, yeah, now 200,000, out of the bag of the about 2, to the bag of the bag, and get on 2, hit 200,000, I can get a bullet out of the about 2, hit 200, 225, 225, hit 225, hit 225, thank you there, now 250, I can get on 250, 250, out of the bag of the get on 275, you're out online, hit 250, 275, out of the bag of the about 250, 275, hit 250, gonna get 260, out of the bag of the get on 60, hit 60 to be out of the about 70, out of the bag of the about 280, and now 90, the other internet's out, and now $300,000, and now 300, I'm on 3, and 310, I'm going to get on 10, and 10 to my 20, hit 320,000, I'm now 20, hit 320, 30, I'm going to get on 30, I'm going to get on 30, 50, hit 350, I'm going to get on 50, hit 350,000, I'm going to get on 50, I'm going to get on 40, 50, you're out, hit 40, 50, internet, you're out as well, 350, I'm going to get on 50, I'm going to get on 340, 350, I'm going to get on 50, bullet, I'm about 50, I'm about 60, hit 360, found out I'm about 60, hit 360, I'm going to get on 70, I'm going to get on 70, 75, about 70, hit 360, 370, found out hit 370, internet, 370, I'm going to get out of about 370, have the bag bullet, have the bag, I'm going to get on 70, and now 80, and 380, have the bag, I'm going to get on 380, hit 380, have the bag, I'm going to get on 380, got 370 bid, asking 380, I'm going to get on 375, 380, I'm going to get on 380, have the bag, I'm going to get on 380, I'm going to get on 380, I'm going to now 90, I'm going to get on 380, 390, or just give 400, just give 400, just give 400 and knock them out, 400, 400, you're all out, 410, you're all out, I'm going to 10, hit 400, 410, reserves off, 400's online, going to be 410, reserve is off, and now 10, and now 20, I'm going to get on 20, hit 410, 20, I'm going to get on 20, hit 410, 420, hit 410, reserves off, internet, 420, 410, 420, I'm going to get on 410, 420, 420,000, 410, 420,000 to buy it, hit 410, gonna get $420,000, and I have once, 420,000 twice, third and final call, 420, sold, $410,000, Paul, thank you.
I have 295, a 71 Corvette ZR-1 coupe with a 4-speed, one of 8 coupes built for 1971.
All right, I'm going to get on 200, hit 200,000 out of the bag.